Hello, I am Miss Ann, and today we are going to talk about how you can use the Libby app to check out ebooks and e-audiobooks. When you open the Libby app on your phone, this is what you will see. It's going to ask you if you have a library card, so click yes. Then click where it says I'll search for a library and type in our library's name. You see it right there, so click on that. And then click on our library's name again. At this point, type in your card number. And then a PIN. Okay, so that's your library card. Now you can click where it says Next, and then click Skip. Now you're at the main page for our library, and you can go ahead and look at all these different books we have to offer. At the top, you'll see new books, and then as you scroll down, you can see guides that can help you find books for specific groups. Like this, for example, helps you find new teen books. You also can see books chosen by librarians, new magazines, and recommended titles for different categories. When you find a title you want to click, just click on the book or ebook. Then, where it says Borrow, click on that, and you can change the date for 7 days, 14 days, or 21 days. Then, click Borrow. Wait to finish downloading, and it's that simple. Then, just click Not Now, click Open Book, Read an App, and then just swipe to read. Isn't that cool? Then just hit scratch it to go back to the settings, and then you can have the back button. You can also do a search by clicking on the magnifying glass. For example, let's say you want to see what we have from Mary Higgins Clark. Just click on the magnifying glass and type in her name. To see your shelf, click on the stack of books. This will tell you your current checkouts and also what you have on hold. Using Libby is really simple. Click on the picture of Libby to access your settings, notifications, and see what's new in the app. Like I said, it's really simple. So you can just keep going through finding new books. If there's something that you want that's already checked out, you can easily place a hold on it. So to do this, this title, for example, has a hold. Just click Place Hold, and you now have a hold on the book. And then you will be notified by Libby when it is available for checkout. It's that simple. So keep exploring Libby, and you never know what you might find. If you need any other assistance, please contact us at the awesome Merrimack Park Public Library, and we'll be happy to help you. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!